Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Yadav and we are going to talk about a very important topic, that is area of isosceles triangle using trigonometric identities whose equal sides and angle between the equal sides are given. This topic is very important for 9th and foundation and class 11, 12 and various competitive examinations. So let's begin. So here in this isosceles triangle BAC we have given AB is equals to AC is equals to R units and angle BAC is equals to theta. You can assume it as 2 theta also, theta. And we have to do a construction here. Before doing a construction, you must know that perpendicular from vertex A to base BC will bisect to vertex A and base BC in any isosceles triangle. Draw perpendicular from A, vertex A, to the base BC. Now drawing it in a very dotted line, and we have to note that perpendicular in a isosceles triangle bisects vertex angle A and base BC. Therefore, vertex angle will become theta by 2 and theta by 2 and base will become half. Let the base BC be 2A, then put it as M, then BM is equals to A and MC will be A. Because BC is 2A, when it bisects the base BC, then 2A will be split into two equal parts. Now solving the question, we all know, even बच्चा हमारे यहाँ ये जानता है कि area of triangle BAC is equals to half into base BC है into height, मान लिया हाइट h होगी, यहाँ मान लिया हाइट h होगी, ठीक है, और BC की जगह हम 2A लिख देंगे. गॉट इट. अब देखिए हमें यहाँ पे क्या निकालना है, हमें यहाँ पे A की वैल्यू बता देना है और H की वैल्यू बता देना है और यहाँ पे पुट कर देना है, हमारा एरिया ऑफ आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल आ जाएगा. सो फाइंडिंग A and H, we have to assume in a triangle BMA and right angle triangle CMA, we have to find out sin theta by 2, which is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That will become A upon R from our given and assumption criteria. Therefore, A will become R sin theta by 2. Put this in a bracket and mark it as equation 1. In triangle CMA, cos theta by 2 will be base upon hypotenuse is equals to B upon R. Therefore, B is equals to R cos theta by 2. Put it in a bracket and mark it as equation 2. यहाँ पे हम साइन और कॉस लगा क्यों रहे हैं बच्चों? यहाँ पे साइन और कॉस लगा इसलिए रहे हैं ताकि हमको A और H की वैल्यू मिले. ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल जब बन गया है तो साइन और कोसाइन का फॉर्मूला लगा के हम A और H की वैल्यू बहुत आसानी से निकाल सकते हैं, तो इसलिए हम इसको यूज कर रहे हैं. अब पुटिंग द values of A and B in area of triangle BAC, we will get half into 2 into r sin theta by 2 into r cos theta by 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can also consider it as from equation 1 and 2. Okay. Then area will become half, take this r into r as common, r square 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Here is the identity, friends. Sin 2 theta is always equal to 2 sin theta and cos theta. Okay, this is the basic formula. This is the basic identity. You must have learned this. In order to find sin theta, remove this 2 and divide this theta by 2 and by 2. Put this in a bracket and learn it out. Now area of triangle ABAC will become half r square sin 2 theta by 2. This 2 will be divisible by 2. Removing this will become sin theta. Note this out and put it in a bracket. If you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment box. So let's conclude. The area of given isosceles triangle is half r square sin theta. This topic is very important. If you have not watched my previous video, then do watch from given I button. If you liked my way of teaching, then please like and share. Subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.